How do I maintain U.S. legal status between employment visas? Imagine you're working in the United States on an employment visa, and your current visa is about to expire. You might wonder, what happens next? Staying legal is key to avoiding problems with your immigration status. Let's walk through what you need to know to keep your status intact during this transition. First, it is very important to file for an extension or a change of status before your current visa runs out. For example, if you have an H-1B visa, which is for specialty occupation workers, you should start your extension process about 7 months before it expires. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services recommends this timing to give enough time for processing. If your extension is pending when your current visa expires, you can stay in the country and continue working for up to 240 days while waiting for a decision. This is called the automatic extension period. If you want to switch to a different employment visa, like from H-1B to O-1 or L-1, you must file the correct petition before your current visa ends. This helps keep your status continuous. It's best to avoid any gaps between the expiration of one visa and the approval or start of the next. Gaps can cause issues with your legal status and future visa applications. Sometimes, you might qualify for an Employment Authorization Document, or EAD. This document allows you to work legally while waiting for your green card or other immigration process to finish. For example, if you have an approved immigrant petition but cannot adjust your status because of visa number limits, an EAD can give you temporary work rights. Remember, you need to renew your EAD before it expires, and renewal depends on your priority date and visa availability. Keeping your passport valid is another important step. Also, make sure your Form I-94, which is your arrival and departure record, is up to date. This document shows how long you are allowed to stay in the U.S. and confirms your work authorization. If you are transitioning from a student visa, like an F1 or J1, to an employment visa, you must complete your academic program or authorized practical training on time. Filing for a change of status or extension before your student status ends is essential. Overstaying your grace period or working without authorization can cause serious problems for future visas. For Black immigrants navigating these steps, understanding the rules can be challenging, especially with limited access to legal resources or employer support. Staying informed and seeking legal advice early can help you avoid losing your status or facing delays. It's all about planning ahead and following the right procedures to keep your legal status secure while you work toward your goals in the United States.